Hi, everybody. Welcome to Miss Hassie's technology class. I wanted to share the incredible work that my students are doing in code.org. And if anybody wanted a tutorial, how does code.org work? Is it easy? Is it hard? I just want to give you a quick rundown of it. So first thing I do is just type in www.code.org. It leads me here. I'm already signed in. But you would create as a teacher a sign on and you would sign in. If you have students and you create a class code, this is where they are going to put their section code in. Here is my dashboard I created. I've been working in here for quite a few years, so I have archive classes. These are all of my classes, kindergarten through 4th grade. My first grade, second grade, and third grade are working on loops. My 4th grade is working on conditionals. And my third grade, I said I was working on loops. So I decided for third grade, they are at an age where they're complaining everything's hard. They're doing the same thing the second graders are doing where they're complaining everything's hard. So I decided to give them loops in Minecraft. So this is what that looks like. Oh, wait, sorry, wrong class. That class hasn't started it yet. Let's get a class that started it so you can see what they did. So in order to see the progress, to grade anything, you're just going to come right here. This is the class that started it. If you click here on the class, it'll bring up their progress. So this is what they did yesterday. I gave them a choice. So some friends were typing and some friends were coding. Here is an example of something they coded in Minecraft. So this is a repeat block. Repeat until you accomplish your goal. So if I hit run, the boat's going to move forward until it gets to the goal. That's a cool loop because usually you got to count, find out how many times the loop has to repeat. This is just repeat until you reach the goal. That is awesome. So that's what they're doing in third grade. I'm just going to go back here. And to grade, if it's dark green, that means they successfully completed with the right amount of blocks. If it's light green, that means they did not successfully complete it. They might have completed it, but not with the right amount of blocks. Something's wrong with their code. We have to go back and find their bug. When I show you what second grade's been doing, second grade's doing this, but also third grade did this. And to be honest, code.org assigns this stuff. Otherwise, I wouldn't have thought they could do this. So this is coding and art. Okay. This is second grade. They made a loop to make a triangle with angles. Look at this, 120-degree angles. Loop. Create it. Code. Now, I let them work together, but this is second grade basically doing this by themselves. Wild, right? Learning. That's not something they coded. That's a learning angles, reading directions, understanding that certain shapes have all equal size, certain shapes don't. Outstanding. I was amazed that they did as well as they did with art with code. To me, this is one of the hardest lessons. So that is an example. That's a quick example. And this is going to end in 20 seconds. So love to show you. In 7 seconds, this is going to end. But here's another example of loops. We're using loops to learn, to grow our brain.